Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 60 Fusion, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, so we can take a look at this option bar at the top, and on the second position from the right we've got the timer. So let's tap on it, and here in this device we've got three different options, so off, 10 and 3 seconds delay. So just tap on the option like to use. I'll choose 10 seconds delay. As you can see, this icon will immediately change and it will show us what kind of delay we've got applied. So now simply tap on this shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3, of course depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, so this is how it works. Of course you can turn this option off. Just tap on this timer icon and tap on this crossed out icon, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.